Welcome everybody to the online course. I appreciate you joining it. Before we can get started on this particular online course, we first need a Gmail credential or a Gmail account. Fortunately for us, and the reason why we're doing this course on this specific application is because Gmail is free. You're just required access to the internet and we can get started. Note that the web link up here for Gmail, or you can just go into any Google search engine and search Gmail, which should bring you to this page. If you already have an account with Gmail, you can utilize that easily enough through these courses. And if not, for those that are new to Gmail, let me go ahead and show you how to create an account. Simply create the account, which will open up a new tab for you. Within here, we basically can put in our information. The username, if you notice, I've already got a few things already created through Gmail. Will pop up automatically if you have it. If not, you can go ahead and type this in. We'll also type in a password to use. It is requested twice just to confirm. And now if we click on the next option, we can see if this is allowed or already taken. We see here that this is not allowed, so I will need to change my username. Letters, numbers, and periods are allowed. Let me take off the underscore. I'm just going to go ahead and click on next. My phone should now receive a text with the code, which I will put in here once I receive it via deal. Secure it in case you have